In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and set up your account on PrivadoVPN app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are new to PrivadoVPN, you need to go ahead and open it by tapping on the app. And to get started, go ahead and tap on sign up here. Here you need to provide your email and then go ahead and tap on create free account. And for this, I just swipe down this email that I've received. Then go ahead and tap on verify now. And here I'll be redirected back to the app, confirming that I've verified my email. As you can see here, you'll have your preset username and password. You can change them right from here. Now here you need to go ahead and enter your new password and then re-enter it. And you should see now you have an option to submit. Your password must contain the following. It must have 8 characters, lower and uppercase. It must also include at least one number and also a character. Once you're done, now submit to create your account. So my account has been created now, and here is my username. I can now go ahead and tap on login now. Now here to log in, you can see I have my username here. Now to log in, I'll go ahead and tap on use the app and wait for the connection to happen within seconds. And now from here, you'll be able to access anything and make various changes through these settings. So that's how you can create an account and start using PrivadoVPN. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.